Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys a comparison between the RTX 3080 Ti by Alienware and the SFX Speedster Merc 319 RX 6900 XT Black Edition. So this is the higher clocked version, just below the highest clock XT XH chip, which is, I think, water cooled, and that's just ridiculous, 3,000 Aussie dollars. Okay, this bad boy will set you back around 2,200. I'd rather pay 2,200 and ramp these up and spend the extra cash on some nice noise cancellation headphones by Bose. Okay, they didn't sponsor this, by the way. That's what I do. Those bad boys cost around $850, but I only paid, I think, $300 for it. Let's continue with this review. I'll look at the lackluster Alienware first of all. Tiny little card, okay, tiny little cooler compared to the behemoth of a card next to it, okay. So just two fans, okay. It's got the same sort of I/O ports. I'll put this on the side. Let's look at this beautiful marvel of engineering, okay. Look at the fans, two one side, one goes the other. No, they all go the same side, okay. Look at that massive cooler on this card. Okay, and it's a lot more heavier. Okay, a lot of work done on the back plate as well to dissipate heat. Got the RGB going. No RGB on the other guy. This is our RGB as well. All right, now let's put it up here and put this guy next to it. Okay, so the card is basically about yay big, okay. We've got these vents here for heat dissipation. Let's look at this guy. It's a lot bigger card. It's a lot more area to cool as well. So it's down till here, whereas this guy is just here. Okay, so that's basically the comparison physically between these two cards. I will be putting them through the ringer. I've already put them through the ringer for a few things. Please do subscribe. It helps out a lot. I fund everything on this channel myself. It doesn't cost you anything. And that way you'll ensure that you're supporting me, first of all, and also making sure that you don't miss out any of the reviews I do for these products and when I pair them up against each other. So this is going to go into my custom PC now. Another thing I'd like to notice is the back plate. Okay. Can you guys hear that? That's solid. That is solid. Okay. Let's look at the front even. Side by side comparison. I just hope I don't drop these things. Plastic. Look at these fans. Can you look at them? They have that ball bearing, nothing here, no sway. Okay, that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching today and take good care. Bye bye.